Box cover, this is Dutchberry and welcome to season 3 of the social media countdown. I know I've been gone for a while, but hear what, it is back, so let's get right into it. Duh! Number 10, Tanto Love Story. So dancehall artist Mr. Tanto Blac, aka Mr. Real Rich / Mr. Tanamane, he was interviewed by the Star, and here's what he had to say when he was asked if him ever get heartbroken before.
Yes, back when I was a little boy growing up, I had my first girlfriend. And one time me find a love letter between she and another man. Them time me couldn't really read, but me recognize what they on the paper as I love you, Tyrone. Because me did have a cousin named Tyrone, and I saw me know how to spell it. Me left her and go home go ball same time.
No, so I feel the hurt them. I feel it. It acts until it all evaporate. Can you imagine that? Even the illiterate know when they get born. And some people sit down the night and I play Stevie Wonder character. Number 9, Sean Paul is the king of the dancehall. Take the case and give me the pillow. Oh my God. I hate you. So Mr.
Just give me the line.
Was recognized by Billboard magazine as the king of the dancehall. And plenty of people are cross, hungry, me. He's a rebel. The only person I think right now we can give a little pass or leeway for kind of jealous and low-key vex is Beenie Man.
Welcome the king of the dancehall.
Billboard is all about making the top 100 charts in the USA and having hit song. If you don't have hit song on the US chart, then them not pray, them not gonna recognize you. Now care what you do on the Jamaican circuit. Okay, so on the level there, nobody else but Sean Paul and Beenie Man supposed to in the runnings. And by right, if you look on it, Sean Paul have more US hits than Beenie Man. So based on them criteria, him can't get it. So let's go on easy and build Beenie Man and about vex up too much, alright? Janet, what you gonna tell him say? Number 8, Wine and Dip. New dance alert! So Razor B is back at it again with another dance track. And the song, it named Wine and Dip. And as usual in a Jamaican society, you have to have a dance for your dance song, right? No, so Razor B just coming for take with the whole of RDX money.
RDX. I will sing the song, make the girl them a lose themselves.
So SWAT twins team up with a girl named Chyna and them come up with the Wine and Dip dance. No, so the dancer look like it doesn't put enough girl in trouble. Number 7, GullyBop in love again. So for yet another time, GullyBop, the most fortunate two-teeth brother, finds himself yet another look good girl. Then again, compared to GullyBop, don't have a cockroach, you look like Miss World. So GullyBop did with Chin from long time, and then him left from Chin, and then him start day one other little woman then, and then him and Chin come back together, and then 1 week after that, oh God, you know what right about now with the style of that GullyBop soap opera? What am I do? Bin it. Number 6, Dahlia Harris's new role. No man, this need a shankle it. So good up, Dahlia Harris was recently announced as the Director of Culture in the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information. And all me can think about with my petty self is what was Lisa Hanna's reaction. Because you know the two of them never did agree at some point because she kind of hold the role there when the PNP didn't have power, and then Lisa Hanna kind of just move one side, and then Dahlia kind of like, oh well, we got my things them, so yeah, no new government and she in our new role, so Dahlia just whap it back so like say she named Cash Pot. Okay, now we have Dahlia online. Dahlia? Any last words you'd like to say to the... And now for your favorite game, Cash Pot. Number 5, that random penis that popped up in that picture at the party. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. No sir, them some a slackness. Right to the left of the picture, that a gentleman at the carnival soca party was exposing himself. I don't know if it was an intentional photobomb, if they just drunk and it just did that so, or he's just that crazy pervert that happens to be at every party. And up to now, nobody can spot the culprit. Who was that dude in the brown shirt? Girl just there at the party, some man come behind them with them penis out just up. My God. Number 4, Blac Chyna visits Jamaica. So former stripper Blac Chyna and her boyfriend Robert Kardashian visited Jamaica recently for the Brit Jam series. And yes, on paper, it should have been a big deal that the Kardashian was actually on foot in a Jamaica, but because that Kardashian was robbed and that it might not be in exact prime right now, people just never seem to care. Shady Jamaicans. So imagine, she is known for her body and her sexy curves and all of them something there. And she chose to come to the Brit Jam series in a one long cover-up soccer and evening gown. What is skin there? Anyway, take a look at some of the highlights.
Wagwan Jamaica.
And now check out out the random video of the week.
Well, if a man not treat you right,
Deserting,
inna your business, them
lurking,
tell them straight up, say you not.
like it,
Them always go on like them a day.
nice it,
From the day me know myself, me know me.
right.
Number 3, supermodel Granny. So 68-year-old Veronica Reed took social media by storm when this picture of her surfaced. No man, catch a good ass pose. The star caught up with her and here is what she had to say. And for the reading, I'm a friend, nice clean friend Danny. Come in, you do it great, just fine. Here. Yeah.
If I were to be born again, I would take up the modeling business more seriously,
Here.
where I can get tours and in television commercials.
Yay! I used to read that right. Alright, take care, thank you. So anyway, me at the 70, my wife up that. Me and her pan hill and gully ride. She 80 with her contour nose, still wear her Bridget sandals. Me I walk with my selfie stick. Goals. Number 2, woman versus her heels. So this lady was captured struggling for walking her heels on the rough streets of Jamaica.
I turned the road and see this girl a walk down the road. Me said the amount of time she out for broke her foot, it not funny. But me I try to catch one of them on the video, yeah. What? Yes.
No, so woman can wicked to themselves, but not so. No one, she must be a church girl because I walk the name. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. Although the evil there, where they need for fear, was your booty heel.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
And to the lady who recorded it, I heart salute you. Because enough people that give up after the first drop, they would have said, no man, I don't get enough time to capture one next one. But you believe in yourself and you persevere.
One more now. Jesus, come on girl. One more for the road. One more. Nothing for me.
And she's off and she's thundering down the street with a furlong to go. But
Hey, don't drop it that road, you know. Hey, don't drop it that road. Woo! Shut the key off.
And number 1 goes to Yannick Boobs. Yeah. Mwah. Alright, stop. So popular media personality Yannick Curvy Diva attended the Brit Jam series recently in a this properific outfit.
Smoke it, and I never like to bro.
No, so the way the girl good, I must Seprod make her. Made by Seprod. Must be good. And I'm have to give me something for the free plug there. Call me. But what got everybody talking was the something then the Tatas them hopping here so. Because people who just feel so them look a little too bit too new. Well perky. Up to the time. Way up. And I stay up. Well rounded. But I'm like, who the hell cares? Yannick look good from morning and in 2016 and from a long time, like 10 years ago. Decades ago. So if she decides that she needs to get a little tweak up to enhance for herself or her confidence or whatever the case might be. Most of the work also love to do a little something there, but you just low-key bad mind because you can't afford to do it. If you could have permanently contouring nose all the days of your life, you know that do it. Everybody wants to keep up with the Kardashians, the Amber Rose and the Nicki Minaj's of the world. But make it have to be somebody I find. When somebody local, when you can't say I do it, you have a problem and you want to cuss and fight and boo down the people then. We have to be hypocritical, so then again. Well, that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching my first Dr. Berry social media countdown of 2016. If you enjoyed it, make sure that you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe so you can get to see all of the happenings from week to week. Alright, peace out, au revoir, and goodbye.